Hi guys, it's Angie. Welcome back. So today I just wanted to do a quick video to show you guys how I cleaned up some of those silver plated pieces that I found at the Goodwill outlet. I mentioned in that haul video, if you saw it, that some of those pieces were really tarnished, and I did the at-home treatments with baking soda to get them to polish up, and I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not. I was a little bit of a skeptic, but that was my first time trying it, and it worked out pretty well. So I will disclose that I did not polish them 100%. Some of the pieces could definitely use a second treatment and some more polishing, but I'm not keeping them for myself. I'm going to be listing those, selling those. They're not top dollar pieces, so I think for purposes of reselling, they're clean enough, and whoever buys them can go ahead and finish off the work. It is a little time consuming, so that's why I'm saying, you have to consider how much you're gonna get, and is it really worth your time, unless you enjoy it, and then go ahead and spend all the time doing it. But anyway, so before I get started, I just want to do a quick intro and give you a heads up on the things that you would need for this. So it's best if you have an aluminum tray, like the ones you pick up at Dollar Tree in their like party section that you would use, to cook things in the oven, or set up as a platter. So those aluminum foil trays, if you want to use one of those, that's probably best. If not, you just need a container. I used a plastic shoebox, actually dual layered it because I did pour boiling water into it and I wasn't sure how well that plastic was going to react. But just a really good plastic bin will work. Aluminum foil, baking soda, salt, just regular table salt, some kind of cleaning cloth. Doesn't necessarily have to be microfiber, but just something, could even be like an old t-shirt, something kind of soft that you can use. And if you've got a piece that you want to like turn over in the solution while it's cleaning, you're going to want some kind of tongs to like grab it and turn it. Obviously it's going to be very hot, so you're not going to want to use your hands. And as I mentioned, you're going to need to be able to boil some water. There's people that just use or recommend just warm water, but I use boiling water and it seemed to work really good. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and show you so you can get a visual of exactly how I did it. I didn't use any exact measurements for the baking soda or the salt. I just kind of eyeballed it and see how it is, because after all the videos I've watched and all the articles I've read, it seems like everybody's got different measurements as what they use. So I just figured I'd just wing it, and it worked. So anyways, go ahead and watch, and I hope you enjoy. Hope you learned something from this, and if you're looking for those silver pieces out there, then I wish you the best of luck. Hope you find some and hope you can sell them.